Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Protected paid time off, known as PTO, is a crucial benefit for all Walmart associates. It's designed to protect you from accumulating attendance points for unexpected absences or tardiness. Think of it as your personal shield, allowing you to cover shifts without fear of disciplinary action. Understanding how to use your PTO effectively is key to maintaining a good standing at work and managing your schedule with confidence, especially as we look towards 2025. Before you even think about requesting time off, it's essential to know exactly how much PTO you have accumulated. You can easily check your current balance through two primary methods: the Convenient Me at Walmart app on your phone or the OneWire portal accessible from any Walmart computer. Regularly checking your balance keeps you prepared, ensuring you have sufficient hours to cover any unexpected time away from work when it becomes necessary. This simple step can save you a lot of stress down the line. Submitting your PTO request for 2025 is a simple process designed for your convenience. Whether you're on the go with the Me at Walmart app or at a computer using the OneWire portal, the steps are intuitive. Just select the date of your absence or tardiness and accurately input the number of PTO hours you wish to use. Make sure to specify the exact amount of time you need covered. It's crucial for protecting your attendance record without hassle. To effectively use your PTO in 2025, remember a few key rules. Most importantly, PTO is specifically for covering unscheduled absences or arriving late, directly preventing any attendance points. You must always have sufficient PTO hours available to cover the entire missed time. A significant advantage is that when you submit your PTO within 7 days of the incident, it automatically removes any attendance points. No manager approval is required for this protection. This makes it a powerful tool for managing your work-life balance. To maximize your PTO benefits, avoid a couple of common pitfalls. Firstly, always ensure you have enough accrued PTO to fully cover your absence. Shortfalls can still result in points. Secondly, make it a habit to submit your PTO request within 7 calendar days of the missed time to guarantee those points are automatically cleared. By understanding and correctly utilizing your protected paid time off, you'll safeguard your attendance record and enjoy greater peace of mind as a valued Walmart associate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.